Welcome to the Loctite Second Chance Home.
And we are your hosts, Reclaim Karma. You know what time it is. Let's build.
We've teamed up with Loctite to lead an exceptional crew of DIY experts through the renovation of this beautiful bungalow home built over 100 years ago. And in support of Loctite's partnership with Habitat for Humanity, we'll be bringing you inspiration and showing off how Loctite gets the job done when it comes to DIYing and upcycling with ease. And it's all happening in the great city of Cleveland, Ohio. Yep, in the home of the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. It makes sense why you'd find a special type of rock star here, Hinkle, one of the largest adhesive manufacturers in the world and the makers of Loctite glue. Used across several industries, it's easy to understand why the world says yes to Loctite. Trust us, this product is the truth. But back to the subject at hand, it's time to give a home a second chance. So we flew up out of Hinkle and connected with the Dream Team. I'm talking 3 DIY creators ready to use their talents powered by Loctite. Let's meet the squad.
Meet Sydney, aka DIY Squid. She's a stay-at-home mom and lover of old homes. You can find Sydney renovating her 1920s farmhouse while her kids are napping. Next up is Clayton, the weekend builder. This awesome dad is a graduate of YouTube University with dual degrees in DIY and woodworking. Last but not least, meet Jessie of Eye on the Detail. She's a passionate DIYer, studying to be a general contractor and an expert at creating magical spaces.
It's Demolition Day. We are here with some wonderful influencers, and we're just about to take a quick tour before we get started with swinging these hammers. So you know what time it is, baby.
It's demo day.
That's right. Let's build.
The Loctite Second Chance Home is the epitome of good bones. In partnership with Habitat for Humanity and led by Loctite's sustainability initiatives to reduce what goes into our landfills, this home is getting a second chance, and our team of DIY experts will be tasked to use elements of this century-old house to make it a home for the forthcoming family. We're excited to see what they come up with in the next couple of months, but let's be honest, this is not an easy task, as the team will face challenges from both budget and time constraints. But I believe in the team because they understand the assignment. Let's check in with the team and get this party started.
1, 2, 3.
Second chance!
Go in here and do what we do. DIYers, we're giving this house a second chance.
Loctite wanted to make sure they were giving back to the community, creating sustainable content, and really making a difference here in the Cleveland area. Day 1 at the Second Chance House was insane. We knocked down a bunch of walls, demolished the bathroom and the front porch, setting the foundation of what's ahead of us to give this home a second chance.
Be sure to like and subscribe to the Loctite channel to follow along to see how our DIY crew brings this rehab to life and how you can bring the simplicity of Loctite to your own projects. Keep it locked in with Loctite. You don't want to miss what's coming up next.